So we are setting up the mold. It's starting here, and we're gonna put that one on top, huh?
Yeah, we're going to put it next to the other blank, because the best way is just to put them next to each other.
Put them next to each other.
And just draw a line around. Then you don't need to spend a lot of time for measurements and I mean the stuff like take the measurement from here, calculate it on the wood, just drop it on them, and then a line around it, and that is the bottom part of your mold.
Okay, we are ready.
Yes, we are ready for the. We're busy right now to make a mold for these two planks. They are actually very nice planks. It's to make a mold. How we can make a mold. But the thing what we need for the mold is these two linear.
Ah, it's the ruler. Ah.
Yeah. A big one, a small one,
Yeah.
pen, and also MDF with a white layer on the top, because
It's MDF, huh?
yes, it's MDF.
White. Why is white important?
Because
you can.
Because you can the other one, this is better one because we can put it directly on the top, and if we bring a little bit oil on the top, which is good for epoxy, then later on it's very easy to disconnect the table, because epoxy want to stick on the surface, on the places. So
to be glued together.
yeah, and so the best one is this one, because we can
Put oil.
put oil on the top,
Yeah.
and then easily disconnect it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ah.
To cut this part
Yeah.
and put in the mold. So we have two options, or have this kind of like with the form of the wood we can cut it,
Yeah.
which we need to cut it by hand, or we can cut it straight, and it's much easier. We can do it by the normal saw, circle saw.
Oh, you have a good saw.
Yeah, and then we are done. So
The epoxy will go here also.
and we just keep fill it by epoxy also on the side. And this side we just fill by epoxy. This side the same.
So not like one big epoxy in the middle.
Also, yeah, but also on the
On the
side.
side. Yeah.
So after a lot of research which side is better, we came to the point that if we cut this wood from here, because here we have some extra size,
Yeah.
and then we have a straight 4-angle
Yeah.
table. Actually this side is also very beautiful, but we can't do like a table which from a side is smaller than the other side, but this is much better, because then we have really straight table and everyone will like it. So that's why we decided to just take apart like 5-6 centimeters of this side off. Unfortunately it's very beautiful, but there is no other way.
No, well, it will lose a bit of its beauty, but it will
but
be
on the
less
other side,
expensive.
we don't have like a massive size of the epoxy size.
So the trick is, yeah.
So the trick is also to use less epoxy than just use it and then say, okay, I don't know how I can sell it.
So you need a lot of time to calculate, research,
Yeah,
to measure
Yeah,
that everything is straight.
yeah. Unfortunately, we're going to take this part off.
You have the measurements. We're gonna saw it.
making the mold. I mean, designing the wood is not only just design. I already clean it. I did a lot of work, but I mean, what is the best shape to cut it? That I mean by designing the wood. The artistic feelings, knowing the carpentry, and know about the epoxy reaction, chemical reaction. I mean, choosing a good epoxy resin material, and having a kind of good feeling. Also the colors, this kind of stuff that which belongs to artistic feelings of the job. Thank you.